This is Hornets Tutoring. We help students that are taking challenging gateway courses by providing successful student support, both in the classroom and during organized study sessions. We want to help you successfully navigate your chosen pathway through Fullerton College.
Besides the professor being in there helping the students, you also have that tutor answering any questions, clarifying anything, and guiding the students in class and out of class through sessions. The sessions include covering material that's still confusing to students. I can clarify certain things and I can reassure my students. I think that's what's really helpful and effective about Hornets Tutoring.
In addition to helping students with course content, embedded tutors are trained to help students adopt the study skills and mindsets necessary for long-term success in college. During study sessions, students encounter strategies to develop stronger reading, note-taking, time management, and study strategies that are appropriate to their pathway.
The most rewarding thing about being a tutor is seeing the process of these students and how they develop skills. A lot of times students come to me not being confident in a certain subject. Seeing them develop and grow as a student is, I think, the most fulfilling thing.
It's called growth mindset. If I don't know, I'll figure it out. And that's the key, the fact that they will get the answer. They will figure it out.
Embedded tutors play an invaluable role as liaisons between students and the college as a whole. Embedded tutors are well informed about the various student support services on campus and help students get plugged into the resources they need to be successful. This could include things such as professors' office hours, academic counseling, the transfer center, tutoring services, mental health support, student clubs and organizations, and others. Hornets Tutoring works with student support services across campus to ensure that students receive the right support right when they need it.
Hornets Tutoring here at Fullerton College, we're like one huge family. We're all friends. There's not one person in there that's going to treat you harshly. Having someone in there to help you, I feel like that's 10 times better than having to go through it alone.
To know how you can get involved or to see if your class offers an embedded tutor, visit hornetstutoring.fullcall.edu.